Alright guys, my name is Shio and welcome to my first ever unboxing video. Alright, I am a streamer by night. I usually stream on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 p.m. Singapore time. Do remember to drop by in Twitch. Anyways, this video is sponsored by CoolerMaster. First and foremost, one of the few things that I'm always looking out for is not actually the RGB, because to me RGB is just some extra accessories, but to me it's how light can the the mouse go. So moving on, let's go and take a look at first. All right, real quick. Okay, they have quite a fair bit of instructions here, and of course recently there's a little trend about the lightweight honeycomb shelf. All right, they say the more holes it has, the better and the lighter it is. Maybe it's due to the fact that there's lesser materials on the mouse, but of course I'm not so sure how will it affect you guys. Okay, so of course if you guys love RGB, there's RGB too. Okay, and of course they have actually pretty much put a lot of optimization onto the cable too, and yeah, there's also two-sided buttons, and of course all this man, and one thing for sure is once you try, you will know. Okay, so let's head in straight to the box opening. Here you go. Okay, so first thing first, you will see this, your favorite mouse. Okay, so let's just take out everything first. So this is the mouse. All right, so just put this aside first, real quick. Okay, let's take this out, put this aside. So this is the mouse, and this is the USB. Look at the cable, man. It looks good. Okay, so let's put this aside first. So this is a quick look out to the box itself. So this is the instruction manual. So one thing for sure, right, is if you guys I know most of the time half of us will not actually read the instruction manual, but I think this you should be reading it is because one thing for sure is if you want to change the light, there's quite a few modes over here, so you guys should go and take a look on this. All right, if not, just keep your box. All right, okay, so just put it here. All right, last but not least, there's also a thread. I think this is the base protection for the mouse, as we will see that there's the same similar thing. So it's, if it wears and tears, you have something to protect yourself. Okay, so this is what is inside the mouse. So I'll give you a real quick for the overview of what you will get in this whole package. Okay, so this is your box, right? Did not really make it really nice, and then this the accessories. Okay, so before we go in, of course every mouse, you will love to have something called the mouse pad, isn't it? All right, so CoolerMaster also got me. Okay, just put this one side first. Okay, they also got me this. All right, the MP510 medium mouse pad. All right, it's splash proof and stitch edge, so it's pretty well secure. Okay, so over here there's like 100% rubber, man. It's amazing. The feel is really rough. I think this is really good. I mean, I have a smooth surface mouse pad, but it's from event that I go. All right, so let's quickly open this out and then show you guys how it looks like. Okay, the box is really tough. It has real decent quality. Okay, guys. All right, boy, oh boy. So this is a mouse pad. And there we go. Oh my god, the feeling is awesome. So the mouse pad is here. I got to really flatten out. Just do a quick one, alright? Okay. I hope it does the job. Alright, and here we go. We have our mouse. So pretty much you will see this is the mouse here. Okay, so moving on. Let's just plug this in real quick. Oh, okay. Change to orange. So So over here, there's quite a interesting bit of stuff. So there's like orange, yellow, green. So pretty much all the RGB style. And let me tell you guys, the handling feel is awesome. Okay, so the feel is awesome, guys. Really, and especially when you are on this trackpad, right? You don't really, the mouse pad itself, you don't really feel any friction. It's super duper smooth. Okay, so guys, let me just change back to my favorite color. Okay, so this is the DPI part. So to change color, right, all you need to do is just to press this and this. All right, and then you go back to your same color. Okay, so one thing that I thought I might see is actually the logo of CoolerMaster here, but maybe, you know, hopefully they can carve it out so that the light will just go through this and then they will show the CoolerMaster's logo. But seriously, guys, the experience 100% awesome, and I recommend you guys to go and get it. Okay, and yeah, so if you're asking what brand is this again, this is the MM711. Okay, so yeah, I think it's currently in store about $70. So you know, seriously guys, it's a bite of for the bargain. Okay, so anyways, once again, I'd like to thank CoolerMaster for sponsoring this video, and of course, okay guys, if you love this product review, this unboxing, you know, do remember to like, subscribe, and of course follow me on Twitch if you are a Twitch, you know, viewer yourself. And of course, you know, if you don't like, you know what to do. I don't mind. All right. So anyways, this is Shio signing off. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys the next video. Goodbye.